Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. There is a very important update from NB side and it's available on the NetBoard website, and it says there is a drastic change in the examination pattern. They have introduced mandatory time bound section in MCQ. NEET PG 2024 is going to get implemented. That's why it's very important to understand what it is and how it's going to impact your examination, what type of changes you should do from now, and how it will impact the scoring, and what are the other negative and positive aspect of it. Okay, so watch the video until end, and please do subscribe the channel and join the Telegram group and WhatsApp group. The link is available in the description of the video, and you can contact us on this number you can see on the screen. And you can also visit our website. You can choose to join our or book our counseling guidance slot, and you can access the counseling portal. These all things you can discuss with us, or you can visit the website to know about it. Okay, so let's jump into the matter. What this notification says, you might be knowing a little bit about this notification, but I'll tell you in detail. See, first of all, how it started, why this notification, why NB came up with change in the examination pattern or the way the examination happens for 3 hours and 20 minutes. So you might have heard or you might have received a call, okay, from some of numbers. They are claiming that they will get you seat in government college, and they target those students who happen to qualify last year after cutoff revision, because last year the cutoff revision went to zero score, and those who didn't expect themselves to qualify in NEET PG, they got qualified, and they also tried to get a seat, and they everything happened through counseling process. Okay, but some of the guys who are, they call them some counselor, but they are associated with some of the hackers who are Indian or outside India. So what they do, they try to hack the examination because it is CBT based, computer based test. Okay, so they try to hack the server, and within few minutes they try to answer the question, accessing it through remote. Okay, and based on that they used to claim that they can get you very good score in the examination, and nobody will know that how you got the score, because all the biometric will be matching with you, and they hack the system and do it. Okay, so government knew that these all things going on. Okay, so that's why what they have done, let me show you the notice, and it's very important to understand. So as you can see here, NBEMS has decided to introduce mandatory time-bound section. That's fine. In all its MCQ based examination, not for just NEET PG, but for MDS, SS, hereafter, whichever examination is getting conducted in the future. Okay, FMGE, DNB, PDCET, and other examinations. Okay, which are conducted on CBT based platform. This measure has been implemented to enhance the security and the sanctity of the examination in the light of emerging threats during the examination process. The emerging threats during the examination process can be understood that many calls coming to the candidates claiming that they can get you government seat, or such things can be done in the examination. This is against law and all against the ethics. Okay, but now it is not possible. Why it's not possible? Because they are going to time bound. You already know there are 5 sections, A, B, C, D, and E. 5 sections, and each 5 sections will have 40 questions. To totally 200 questions, and each question will have weightage of 4 marks. So 800 marks, and each question will have time 42 minutes equally. Okay, so no matter which section is tough, okay, you will be given 42 minutes only. So 42 into 5, 210 minutes means 1 hour 20 minutes, sorry, 3 hours and 20 minutes is the total time. So that you have divided into 5 sections. Now what happens, earlier what candidates used to do, if they are good in particular subject, or they used to attempt like one liner, whenever they see that okay, the question seems to be complex and it's image based or more complex, they used to gain the more confidence, okay, by answering one liner questions or very easy to answer for them, or in the subject they are very strong at. Okay, so quickly they would answer questions. This is one of the way of attempting the question. So if you have answered suppose 75 questions correctly, which you know at your level best that these are the correct answer, then automatically you are building a confidence. Okay, now you have saved lot of time, because those answers you have picked in very less amount of time. Now more time you are going to spend on those questions where you face it's more difficult for you, or you need more logic to apply, it's more complex or more comprehensive. Such kind of questions you will give more time. Okay, so that way you used to plan. And if you're marking the questions for review, so you would see that okay, let's reach out to all the questions and attempt all the questions, and then you will attempt the questions that you have marked for review in the last half an hour or so. That is your plan. And you don't plan in the examination day only. When you attempt GT, you keep on planning on that. Okay, but now we have to change that plan, because the challenge that you take of review the marked questions at the end, that challenge you now to take 5 times. Okay, so let me explain you. So how it will make impact and how it will be different now. 42 minutes for each section is more kind of like approach which is taken by next examination. In next examination they want you to be good at all the subjects. Here also, if there are 5 sections, and in each section if you are good at subjects which are in 2 sections, okay, so you would answer more questions and you may answer quickly. Okay, but if you jump to the third section where you are not very good, okay, you need more time to understand, to figure out the right question, but you haven't given equal time in all the sections. That's where you will fail, that's where your score will reduce. But if you are equally good in all the subjects, you won't face that problem. Okay, so they kind of want you to be equally good in all the subjects. That's not possible. Okay, can take more time in subject where you weak at, but that's not possible now, because you will be given 42 minutes, and within the 42 minutes you have to attempt all the 40 questions. If you are sure that you know this answer, you mark it. If you want to review it later, then within the 42 minutes time frame only you have to plan that okay, now you have answered, now you want to revisit all the marked questions. In case you don't change the marked question, or you have kept the answer, then it will be considered for marking. So mark for review will be your final answer. So you in the back of mind you will be thinking that okay, now for the 5 minutes or the 10 minutes I have to revisit those marked questions, and accordingly you have to final all the questions, all the 40 questions within 42 minutes. Okay, so this challenge you have to take up 5 times. Earlier it was one time only. When you answered all the questions where you are sure, then you go for mark for review. But now if you leave if you don't manage your time properly, then you won't be getting another opportunity to correct your marked questions. Okay, once 42 minutes time is lapsed, it will automatically move to the next section, and you can't do anything. In case within 35 minutes or within 30 minutes if you have answered all the questions, and you don't need any extra time for any kind of like revision of the question, then also you have to wait idle, because it won't show you any other question in the other section. Okay, so that time is going wasted. Okay, and in the next section you will be getting only 42 minutes. Okay, scoring will be more difficult due to these 5 sections having same time, and you can't move between the sections. Okay, and from now you have to practice your GTs, and those who are giving your GTs questions, they will plan that CBT module in such a way that it is time bound. Okay, so that won't be problem. Okay, now good part here, the good part is the hacking system will be blocked. Okay, the question paper that they used to hack and answer all the question within 20-30 minutes, okay, it's not possible, so they won't be able to hack. Okay, the system is going off. Okay, so we don't have to believe in any kind of such things that in such amount you will be getting seats in government. This all blah 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 is to trap you. Okay, good part here, I understand all of you won't be liking, nobody would like any kind of pattern change in the middle of the preparation. But since the government has taken this step, we all have no option other than accepting it, and it is for good cause also. There are positives and there are negatives as well. So now in order to accept this challenge, so everyone will be facing the same channel. Okay, and if the scoring is low, the cutoff score will also be reduced. Okay, it may come down below 250 also, depending on the paper difficulty level. Now the competition will remain same. Okay, because the challenge, it's the challenge for all the candidates. Even the scoring is reduced, the ranking will be same. Okay, so you can assess your ranking in the GTs. Okay, out of those many candidates, earlier your ranking was this much, now earlier the score was this much, now score is reduced. Okay, or is going same. But the ranking, how does it impact your ranking? Okay, so ranking is the ultimate thing. Based on the ranking only you get the seats, not based on the score. Okay, so nothing to worry at all. If it's a challenge, it's challenge for all. Okay, and the competition will remain the same. So for few days it will definitely, like for next two GTs and all, it will definitely impact your approach, but you will get used to it. Okay, and once you get used to it, it's like last year examination that you have been attempting the paper in this way and there is no change. Okay, so nothing to worry much. Okay, the rank or your caliber, your IQ level will decide the rank. Scoring might reduce, but it will reduce for all, so nothing to worry at all. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you. If you have any doubt, please put your doubts in the comment section of the video, or you can even reach out to us on the number. Okay, so thanks for watching, have a nice day. Hope it is useful for all of you. If so, please share with others and do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.